Hello and welcome back to another video showing you how easy our Centricity calendar app is and how you can make multiple searches using work orders, cases, inspections, etc. So let's go ahead and start out by clicking Add New. And we are going to name this new one All Work Orders for Airfield Lights and Signs. So the airfield lights and signs will be the entity that we're searching for, and we're going to look for all work orders, meaning all statuses. So for the description, we can just copy it back down. And for the type, we are going to choose WO for work order. For the event begin date/time, I'm going to do projected start date for both of them so that our calendar does not get clogged up. So I'm just going to make it for 1 hour. So the calendar event will span 1 hour in our calendar. We're going to limit the records by 90 days. And this is going to be how we are going to name our event, so how it shows up in our calendar. Work order number, comma. Then we're going to select fields, which we're going to do the work order ID first. We're going to add our dashes in there. And we're going to do status. It's important to add the dashes and commas so that it configures correctly in the calendar. And then we are going to use apply to entity so that we get the airfield lights and signs. And now I can just copy the event name down to the event description. And I want to click yes for office link and respond link so that in my calendar, the event will show 2 links that will take me directly to CityWorks office and respond with the work order already up. Okay, so for the query part, we're going to go to apply to entity first and select everything for airfield lights. You can search, but since it's an A, it shows up pretty quickly. Okay, sign. All right, now that we have selected our assets for the query, that is all that we need to select since the all work orders will cover every status, so we aren't going to select a certain status to go with it. So now we can go ahead and click save. And then this comes up as 5 calendar events. We click yes. And you should see it in your home page. It's right here. So we're going to copy the link. And now this is when you go ahead and go over to your Outlook calendar. Once you have your calendar open, you can go ahead and click add calendar on the left-hand side here. And then again on the left-hand side, we're going to click subscribe from web and paste the link we copied. This is our ICS file. And then we can give it a name, usually helpful to make it similar to the name that's in the Centricity app. So we're going to do all work orders for and signs. All work orders for airfield lights and signs. And then we can go ahead and choose a color. I'm going to do green, and I'm going to choose a charm. I'm going to choose a little wrench and click import. Now we have all work orders for airfield lights and signs updated. Will show at the bottom. So we see under other calendars are all work orders for airfield lights and signs with the green charm is down here. If we want to move it up, we can by clicking these 3 dots, click move up. You can make it at the top of the list. And so these green events will reflect those calendar events that we search for in our query. You can open it up and get the 2 links for office and respond and get more information. But that is how you make an easy query in the Centricity calendar app.